This video will show you what to do if your printer doesn't pick up or feed paper from the input tray. Sometimes the problem can be fixed by doing a printer hard reset. Remove the paper from the input tray. Then, make sure the printer is turned on. Disconnect the USB cable from the back of the printer and open the cartridge access door. Wait for the carriage to stop, then take the cartridges out. Close the cartridge access door and unplug the power cord from the printer. Wait 60 seconds and then plug the power cord back in. Turn the printer back on. The printer will reset itself. As it resets, you will hear the printer preparing to print again. It may take longer than it usually does to turn back on. Open the cartridge access door. Reinstall the print cartridges. Reconnect the USB cable and load your paper. Print a self-test page again by pressing and holding the Cancel button and then pushing the Start Color Copy button once. If your self-test page prints, you're done. If it doesn't, try the next step. Usually, this problem is not caused by the printer, but by the paper. Take the paper out of the paper tray and check it for any ripped, dusty, curled, wrinkled, or bent sheets. Make sure there are at least 10 sheets of plain white paper, but no more than 25 sheets of paper in the paper stack. The printer may hold more sheets of paper than this, but this number of pages is best for this test. Make sure all the paper is the same size and type, then tap it on a flat surface to get the edges perfectly aligned. Load the paper and adjust the guides so they're snug against the stack. Print a self-test page again by pressing and holding the Cancel button and then pushing the Start Color Copy button once. If your self-test page prints, you're done. If it doesn't, try the next step. Make sure the paper settings match the settings for your paper trays. When you go to print, open what you're printing, click File, and click Print. And then click Preferences. When the Preference dialog box opens, click the Features tab. Find the Paper Type drop-down menu and select More, and then choose the appropriate paper type. Find the Size drop-down menu, select More, and choose the appropriate paper size. Click OK. Click Print, and the document prints. Printer rollers get dirty from paper dust, ink, and oil from your fingers. In this step, we'll clean them. Unplug the power cord from the back of the printer and remove the rear access door. Gather the following cleaning materials: a clean, lint-free cloth, clean cotton swabs, clean water to dampen the cloths. Distilled or bottled water is preferable, but not required. Never use alcohol or other chemical cleaners. Clean the rollers visible in the printer with a clean, lint-free cloth, lightly moistened with water. The cloth should be damp, but not soaking wet. Use your finger to turn the rollers toward the printer. Make sure you remove any buildup or debris from the entire surface of the roller. Look for the paper pick roller further inside the rear of the printer. Clean the roller with a moistened cotton swab, removing any buildup or debris. This roller is difficult to reach, but is the most important to clean. If this roller inside the printer is not cleaned, this problem will continue because this is the roller that feeds the paper into the printer. While the rear door is off, check the rollers on the door. Check if any rollers are missing, don't roll freely, or have some give when you push on them. These conditions could mean that the rollers aren't picking up paper and that the rear door needs to be replaced. After the rollers have dried, replace the rear access door. Plug the power cord back in. Turn the printer on. Print a self-test page again by pressing and holding the Cancel button and then pushing the Start Color Copy button once. If your self-test page prints, you're done. If it doesn't, try the next step. Clean the rollers one more time. Sometimes it takes 2 tries to remove the debris from the rollers. Be sure as you clean to focus on the paper pick roller shown previously. If you've tried everything described in this video and you still have a problem, your printer likely needs some type of service. Contact HP to find out what the support options are for your printer. Your options for service may vary depending on how long you've owned the printer and what country you live in.